Why do my apps keep crashing? And how to fix them apps keep crashing on your phone or other device. That's one of the most frustrating problems, but the good news is, it's usually easy to fix. Before diving deeper, try these quick fixes. They solve most issues right away. Quick fixes for crashing apps. Close and reopen the app. Restart your phone. Check for app updates. Most crashes are caused by temporary issues, and these steps fix them fast. Keep in mind that memory or software issues often cause app crashes. You can usually resolve them with simple steps like restarting or updating. Why apps keep crashing. So why do apps crash? Common causes include not enough storage or memory, corrupted app data, weak or unstable internet, outdated apps or software. When your phone runs out of resources, it may force apps to close. If the quick fixes didn't work, or you want to dive in deeper, let's take a look at how you can troubleshoot the issue. Troubleshooting crashing apps. Troubleshoot problem apps by following these steps. Step 1. Update your apps. First, make sure your apps are updated. Open App Store or Google Play. Check for updates. Update all apps. Older versions can crash if they're not compatible with your phone. Step 2. Restart your phone. Next, restart your device. Power off. Turn it back on. Restarting your phone clears temporary glitches and frees up memory. Step 3. Clear app cache. Apps store temporary data called cache. Open the settings and go to Apps. Select the app. Tap Clear Cache. If that data becomes corrupted, it can cause crashes. Step 4. Check storage and memory. If your storage is full, apps may not work properly. To clear up storage and memory, delete unused apps. Remove old photos or videos. Phones need free space to run apps smoothly. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If one app keeps crashing, reinstall it. Delete the app. Reinstall from the App Store. Reinstalling a problem app removes broken files and gives you a clean version. Step 6. Check your internet. Some apps rely on internet connection. Switch Wi-Fi on and off. Try mobile data. Move closer to your router. A weak connection can cause apps to freeze or crash. Quick recap. If your apps keep crashing, here's what to do. Update your apps, restart your phone, clear cache, free up storage, reinstall the app, check your internet. Common mistake. One common mistake when dealing with crashing apps is only fixing the app, but ignoring the phone or device, such as not updating the system, running too many apps, ignoring storage limits. Sometimes the issue isn't the app, it's your device. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SimpleTech Help. Tech made simple.